Welcome to another news perspective video. More like my annual RG freaking build off every year. I seem to notice that lately I haven't been building a lot of kits, and especially like the RG line. The last RG kit that I built was the God Gundam, which I'm also working on for like more than a year now. It's right here. And I built that last December, and it's already like we're like 4 or 5 days away from December of this year, and that was from last December. You know, I'm trying to reduce the amount of backlog I have, and I seem to be buying kits faster than I build them, so I'm trying to be better. This is the RG Sword Impulse Gundam. This is the P Bandai release of the regular RG kit that came out a while back. They're not friendly to people with fat fingers like me, but if you can endure that part of the build, you're golden. I always do an unboxing because I like doing them, but other than that, not doing a review. We'll just talk about what I think you can do with a kit. But I forgot to also freaking unwrap the freaking kit. This is probably the closest thing to me doing an ASMR, and I just spilled everything over to the floor. Let's do some runner count. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 runners. You get 18 runners with this kit, and also some sticker style decals. You know what I don't like right now, and I'm looking for it, is that it didn't come with any freaking decals. I thought that whenever you buy P Bandai kits, you get freaking decals for free, but this one didn't come with it. That's about the only disappointing thing. I've heard a lot of good things about the RG Impulse Gundam, so I'm gonna assume that this is gonna be a great fun build. So I'll be back. I'll talk to you guys about what I think about the build, what you could do with it, and all that good stuff. You know, I'm just basically admiring this kit, or not. I don't know what I feel about it yet because I haven't built it, but I'll be back, guys, in about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this is like my 6th take. Finally done with the build. Took me about 2 weeks. I'm lazy. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm just a freaking slow builder, and buy kits faster than I build them. Quick review about the kit, 10 out of 10. Then again, I only care about aesthetics, and this kit got a lot of like freaking details on it, and I'm all for it. Articulation, it's all right. It kind of moves. You know, you can get a lot of like incredible poses on it, but some things might fall apart. It is what it is, you know. Most kits are like finicky anyways. I think the best kit I've built so far this year is the freaking high grade freaking Witch from Mercury Caliban. This is a pretty good second or third. But you know, this channel is all about customizing, so here we go. This is an RG kit. So what do I always say about RG kits? RG kits are like the best kits to buy when you're first getting into like doing your customs. The only reason I say that is because it comes with a lot of parts. And when a kit comes with a lot of parts, that means you can work on your parts and color separation and your color scheme. The only bad part, right, with RG kits is that they got so many tiny parts that if you have fat, overweight fingers like me, things might fly off and things might go missing. You know, with this kit, if I was to paint it, I would do like 5 to 7 freaking different colors on it. The kit can afford you that because it's got so many parts and there's so many details in there. Heck, you can even go full retard, right? and then just freaking even mask if you want to. If you're sadistic, like I'm not. I hate masking, so I'm not gonna do it with this kit if I ever do paint it. I mean, I can't stress that enough. If you're getting into like painting for the first time, go buy an RG kit and practice on them. And the kit will always look cool no matter what, because the kit just gives you a lot of like leeway when it comes to like making your kit look good. Because at least for me, right? At least for me, when it comes to looking at a custom build, I mostly pay attention to the details that's on the kit and then the paint. Our G kits comes with a lot of details, so that scratches off all the freaking problems that you're gonna have when it comes to like doing your own customs, because half the battle is already done, which is like, you know, scribing, doing more details, like adding in stuff, you know. And at least the way I look at it, like high grade kits, they're more for like advanced builders, right? Unless the high grade kit comes with a lot of details, which is like very rare for like high grade kits. If you look at like the Witch of Mercury line, those kits there are like some of the best high grade kits that you can buy and work on when it comes to like painting. But other than that, like the other freaking high grade kits before the Witch of Mercury kits, they're like and you have to work very hard to make them look cool. As opposed to like an RG kit, right? It's got a lot of details already, so you just have to paint it. I highly recommend buying this kit too, because it just looks cool. You're probably not gonna find this easily. If anything, you're probably gonna have to pay a little bit more because it's a P Bandai release, and it is what it is, right? But if you buy like the regular retail release of this without the swords and stuff, it's still gonna look great when you paint it. But yeah, so I highly enjoyed this kit. Get it. Aesthetically, it looks great. Besides the UC line, the C kits is like second when it comes to like the aesthetics of what a Gundam looks like. You know, it's just the design of the C kits that looks so cool, at least for me. But I have nothing else to talk about. Let me see here. Oh, it's the end of the year, so I'm gonna be probably gonna do like a channel update, and then I'm gonna be going back to the motherland, so I won't be uploading for like the next month and a half. Just a quick channel update. I'm highly disappointed with myself this year, kind of, because I only did one custom, but you know, we'll talk about that later. But yeah, so that's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the channel update for you 15, 20, 40 people that watches the channel. Peace, guys. Buy the kit. It's great.